We like her dad because he's nice and unique, and he gives us new toys and candy and fun, and lets us do fun stuff.
Right.
And he gives me 1,000 lollipops. He's the best dad ever. He gives me one lollipop, and he wipes on my butt when I'm done pooping. That's what Pig said.
Oh, okay. That's a great sharing moment, Ronan. What else does Daddy do? Does he let you have sleepovers?
He lets us go to Rita's.
He takes you to Rita's?
He lets us go to the park.
To the park?
Yeah, and he lets us have sleepovers too, like you said. And he builds stuff for us.
Like, what does he build for you? Sit down, Ronan. What does he build for you?
Like these.
Oh, okay. Ronan, sit down.
It's a Minecraft ocelot built out of cardboard.
And the next box, I think, and the next box, and then the next time I think Dad's going to build Placus animals, there's going to be a sip in there.
That was Pig said.
A squid in there?
No, it's Skeleton's turn.
Skeleton's talking? What is Skeleton like about Daddy?
He lets me sit on the couch and stay up late in my bed.
Stay up late in your bed?
And now it's Creeper's turn. I love Dad because he lets me do this in my house.
That's the best dad ever, because he lets us do fun stuff.
I love Dad because he lets me sit and laugh.
Who cooks the best dinners, me or Daddy?
Both of you guys.
But who really cooks good dinners?
I think you.
I love Dad because he helps me learn how to jump.
Daddy helps you learn how to jump?
Well, Mom, let's put all the Minecraft toys away. And
okay, everybody tell Daddy I love you.
We love you, Dad. You're the best dad ever. And
Ronan, say I love you, Daddy. Tell Daddy you love him.
I love you. And now it's these two guys' turn. I love Dad because he helps us learn to sing.
Okay, stop, Skylar.
There's a moose in the house.
Daddy's the best daddy ever, right?
Dad helps me because he helps me train to go really fast.
Trying to go really fast? Everybody say, I love you, Daddy.
We love you, Dad, because you're the best.
Come look at the camera and say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
This is the honor one going to say. He helps me run really fast and helps me scratch bad guys and stomp on them.
Ronan, say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Look at the camera when you say it.
We love you.
I love you.
Okay.